Hello guys, here we are today with Tesla Y 2019 model, and a picture you can see that is totally badly damaged. It is strongly collisions happen because of the collisions and the front bumper, the front structures, the front parts, joints, the body is perfectly damaged, the fenders. And the Tesla have happened when it's major accidents and you cannot repair it something from the body structures, from the frame. You should have to replace, you should have to replace, otherwise it's not easy to repair it properly. So it's this car you can see is from the front side is totally damaged. We are going to discuss today with the frame how they renew it and how they repair after the major accidents, and I will show you how you can find out the accidents points, which is repair, which is accident. So stay with us and I will show you there. So let's get it started from here. This is not require any switch or something. Put it there, the cables, the cards, punch it there and try directly. It's electric car. Doesn't require any pushes, buttons, key or something. So let's check there. Focus in the frame. If you focus here on the left side, this is the left side frame. The right side. The right side is almost replaces. If you focus here on the joint area and also how the effect there is on the frame is dance from here this side. If you focus this the back joint area, so they replace it like they weld this, they make the spots in here. This is not like you can clearly recognize the spot is not original. If you focus here, let's back to the turn on to the left side. Check the left side and try to open the bonnet first. I will show you from here. That's the bonnet in here, the front compartment. Actually doesn't have anything, engine is not have here. This is the only for a safety equipment, you can keep it here, the tools and other thing. Just the other side, look at the left side, the joint area is perfectly clear. It's nothing repair or nothing something like there is no sign of the accident spots. From the upper side you can see clearly it's clean, like everything is perfectly originals, everything spots, materials, no pad, no any something past. But the other side, if you focus here, this is so much scary for us. This is from the bottom side, under part area is the joint area. Look at this, the paste is properly like this is the joint, the main joint area, prawn, and the others like the quarter area is properly they repair it, they remove the paste. The paste is not matching with the original one, so it's clearly different material. From here you can see this until the firewall area is repaired. And also if you focus from here, this side it's clearly clean, nothing there is something, any spots of the accident, any sign of the accident. So it means it's clearly they replaced the front right side frame area. If you focus here on this side is clearly original, like the spots, the materials, there is no any pass, something extra bands, clean this area from here, but the inside is look like repair. If you focus, this is the motor, you see this is the front motor is repeated. They remove this motor before the repairing because they want to repair it clearly. They want to renew it and repair all the damaged area nicely. So that's why. And the back side your focus is fully covered. This cover is not easy to remove, like it's permanent covers, you cannot remove it easily. So the main thing also from back is also fully covered. So it's not easy to find out something accident in the car if you doesn't have any proper knowledge about the damaged cars, accidents car. So it's not easy. Just I'm a little bit shocked for that, like how they replace it. That's because it's the first time for me. I found that the major accidents, and after the major accident they replaced the aluminum parts from here, and also the right side they repaired it. So that's a little bit shock for me. Okay, you see that's the under parts. What you can also see something like what they have in under the front compartment. Back to there, and this is also from bottom side. We're going to keep down the car, bring it back. It was left the car before, so back to down now. You see that's the how they recovered back. It's amazing, but it's scary. Going back to keep it down. That's so about the chassis number for this vehicles. Actually, I tried to find out the chassis number. The chassis number is started from 7. Mostly the Y model is coming located here on the rocker panel, the rotor post, and also the right side inner pillar side is, but I didn't find in here. So I check all the things, the back and the side and everything, but I didn't find there. Back to here to start the vehicles, and we have to close the bonnet before we drive the vehicles. Actually, the chassis number is also located here, like in the screen and the display. You can find out. Back to here, select the vehicles, and after you select the software in here, when you press the software in here, it will be showing everything like this. Vehicles have to select, and then after the software and the down the software, the service, there is one sign. When you scroll the screen, the LCD is down and up and down, and you can find all the details, even the odometers related with the service, other service, everything. And also the chassis number is located here in this area. You can see it clearly. The model is why also they providing all the detail for the models, and for the all information located here is like the normal display. All the information in here, because like the punching number was coming here before for the Y model here on the right side door post area, but I didn't find there. We can check only that is 2 number is located, 3 number is one windshield on the left side door on the sticker, and also here is on the screen is here inside. So that was the short information related with Tesla. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and soon we will be there on TikTok also. And subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and bell icon. Thank you so much for watching our videos.